We're in the middle of one of the biggest snowstorms.
It's the worst snowstorm to hit the Denver area in 3 years.
Well, the time is, of course, ticking in Denver because you better get ready for what's expected to be one of the biggest snowfalls in years.
Out here in the freezing cold, looking for salamanders. We're in Colorado. We're in the middle of one of the biggest snowstorms that they've seen in the last couple years. And we're looking for tiger salamanders soaking up the moisture in these little prairie dog holes. It's really cold. It is really coming down. Expecting to get like 2 feet. So hopefully we can find something and we can make something happen. Let's see if we can get lucky. All right. Nothing in that one. Out here in the freezing cold, looking for salamanders. All right, right here we have the barred tiger salamander during one of the worst winter storms in Colorado. He was coming out, he was just getting some moisture from the snow. Really cool pattern on him. You can see why he has the tiger salamander name. I believe this is the barred tiger salamander right here. Such a beautiful creature. And the fact that he can come out here when it's below freezing and we're about to get over 2 feet of snow is just incredible. Such an amazing adaptation. I don't want to hold them for too long. I just wanted to make sure that you got to see the beauty of this tiger salamander up close. How's it look?
I think it looks alright.
Good.
Yeah, get some feeling yourself.
Here, let me get this. This is the crazy contrast. Here, get that light on him though, from that angle though. Yeah. The salamanders in the snow. Here, I'm gonna get a better look at him. Come here, right here. Can you see the light?
I filmed it, right?
Yeah. Oh, here, hold this. All right, right here was his home right down there. This deep prairie dog hole. He was just sitting up here in the top of the snow and turned around and I jumped in real quick and grabbed him. As you see from the diving mark over here. Such a beautiful, beautiful creature. Look at this tiger salamander right here. Wow. So crazy the way they've evolved to be able to take freezing cold temperatures just to get some moisture. Wow. All right, we're gonna let him go here. Just because we don't want to keep him too long. Let's put him back down in his home. Let me get a good angle. I think that should be good. Here he goes. Goodbye. Wow. Isn't that cool? Just crazy amounts of snow out here. Just coming down hard. We're out here finding salamanders. Whew. We already found one. Hopefully we can find some more. We'll update you if we find one. Nothing in there. All right.